my channel, Superb Precious. Today we are going to learn web designing. We are going to use Wordpress for the tutorial. So I'm going to take you on the first step, second step, another step that you need to achieve this. Alright, so the first thing we are going to install is what we call XAMPP. So this XAMPP is an open source web server solution package, and it is mainly used for web application testing on a local host web server. So what this simply means is that we are going to install this on the system that you're using, and with this you'll be able to work offline. So as you're designing your site, it will look as if it is online, but it is not, it is offline. So once you are done, you can move it to the C panel, that is the control panel, where you can install it. So that is simply what XAMPP is. Now let's move ahead to install it. Open your browser. Okay, so you can type XAMPP and ensure you install the latest version. XAMPP download. If you're using Windows, select for Windows. If you're using Mac, select Mac. But in this case, I'm using Windows. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to select this first one. Okay, so here we have, if you're using a 64 bits, ensure you download 64 bits. So here you click on download. Okay, once you click on download, it will start downloading. Okay, I'm trying to download. It says your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, click here. So you hold on a bit. You can see, if you check here where I have my cursor, you find out that it is downloading already. So you can see, you just hold on for it to complete downloading. So I'm going to pause this because I already have it on my system. I will show you. So once it's completed, you do what? You minimize this. Now you go to where you're going to have it is on your downloads. You come to your downloads, you will see it. Like I said, I didn't download that because I already have it on my system. Okay, so once it's downloaded, I usually move it, copy it and move it. I'll just right click, let's assume it's this. I'll copy, then I'll move it to my PC, my local disk, my C here. So open this, then I'll paste it. Once it is being pasted, you will see it in this form. It's going to be on a zip file. So you extract the zip file. After extracting, you will have it here in this form. You can see this one is the one I extracted. Extraction means bringing it out from the zip. Bringing it out from where? The zip file. So once it's been extracted, you have it in this form. What do? You open it. It's either you right click and click open, or you double click on it to open. So it is opened. Now I'm going to scroll down. I will scroll down. The next thing you're going to do here is to run this XAMPP control. XAMPP control. By right clicking on it, I select run as administrator. Click on it. You will have this dialog box, then you select yes.